Immerse yourself in the possible attainment of wealth, even when your finances are stretched thin. Let's follow the journey of an individual much like you and me. An individual we'll name Sam. Sam was an ordinary person with an ordinary job filled with routine tasks, but there was a distinctive quality about Sam. He dreamt. He dreamt big. His dreams weren't just centered on gathering wealth, but on the freedom this wealth could grant. Mindset is a crucial element in this journey. Planning might seem like a simple task, but it's in this seemingly simple task that mindset plays a pivotal role. Sam set ambitious financial goals and understood that dreams without a plan are simply dreams. His mindset was fueled by the desire for financial freedom, not just the accumulation of wealth. Sam, aware that strategizing and implementing plans are key aspects in achieving wealth. His perspective on wealth was not about being rich, but about freedom. The importance of setting a clear destination cannot be understated. He constructed a comprehensive roadmap tailored to his vision of wealth. Without a plan, dreams are just elusive thoughts, visual imaginations without substance. Every dollar Sam earned brought him a step closer to his goal. The path was undoubtedly challenging, but his resolve never wavered. He regularly visualized his goals, vividly picturing his success. This constant visualization not only motivated him but also acted as a barometer for his progress. The practice of visualizing goals and tracking progress is a critical lesson from Sam's journey. It's not just about setting goals, but about constantly reminding oneself of them, visualizing the success and keeping track of the progress made. It's a practice that keeps the motivation alive, the drive constant, and the focus sharp. Harness the power of achieving wealth, even on a tight budget. The importance of a clear mindset, setting precise financial goals, a personal understanding of wealth, a well-thought-out strategic plan, and regular visualization cannot be overstated. These elements combined can transform a distant dream into a tangible reality. Let Sam's journey serve as your first step on this path towards financial freedom and success. Our tale dives deeper into the life of the diligent Lucy, who illuminated the profound lesson of intelligent budgeting through her extraordinary journey. Born into an average income household, Lucy harbored an early understanding of the value of every penny and viewed savings as the ladder to affluence. In an effort to manage her finances effectively, she devised a meticulous strategy. This included keeping a detailed record of her daily expenses, irrespective of the size of the outlay. She would meticulously note down everything from major utilities and rent payments to everyday purchases like food, clothing, and transportation. This method, though initially laborious, eventually became an essential part of her daily activities, affording her the power to control her monetary outflows. Besides being an exceptional record keeper, Lucy was adept at distinguishing between wants and needs, which significantly refined her spending habits. She staved off the lure of impulse buying, placing her emphasis instead on necessary purchases. This shift in perspective helped her to prioritize her spending efficiently. Lucy would often ask herself whether a certain purchase was a necessity or a luxury. If it fell into the latter category, she often chose to forego it, thus steering clear of unnecessary expenditures. Lucy's financial acumen also included a deep appreciation of the importance of investing. Rather than letting her savings sit idle, she understood that her money could be put to work, helping to grow her wealth even further. As a result, she diversified her investments into various avenues such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. Her aim was to achieve secure and profitable returns, providing a safety net for her future. Lucy's journey is a compelling testament to the power of meticulous financial management. By keeping an exhaustive record of our expenses, learning to prioritize our needs over our wants, and embracing a mindset of saving and conscious investing, we too can lay the groundwork for a secure and prosperous future. Lucy's story amplifies the importance of wise financial management, underscoring the fact that intelligent budgeting is indeed the key to opening the door to financial security. Our third lesson originates from the life of a man named John, a humble individual with uncomplicated preferences. He was a man of discipline, especially when it came to his finances, a characteristic which stood out conspicuously amongst his peers known for their lavish lifestyle. John was not born with a silver spoon, nor did he accidentally come across a heap of money. His financial success story was scripted by careful planning, disciplined savings habits, and a steadfast commitment to living within his means. John was not one to succumb to societal pressure to live an ostentatious lifestyle or match the lifestyle of the Joneses. He successfully navigated away from the pitfall of lifestyle inflation. He held a strong belief in the strength of a dollar saved and adhered to a simple yet profound philosophy: save before you spend. On receiving his paycheck, instead of giving in to the temptation of splurging on extravagances, he would conscientiously save a significant portion of his income. This was done with the aim of investing in his future and cushioning himself against any unforeseen financial situations. Living below his means, however, was not always a walk in the park for John. It entailed making sacrifices, like foregoing certain luxuries and social gatherings that he couldn't afford without stretching his budget. Despite these challenges, John's resolve remained unbroken. He prioritized his long-term financial health over ephemeral pleasures, comprehending the critical role that saving money plays in shaping a secure future. John's strategy for wealth accumulation was simple but powerful. It did not focus on earning more, but on retaining more. This philosophy was the bedrock of his wealth-building game plan, imparting a crucial lesson to us about financial discipline, meticulous planning, and the might of frugality. John's approach of living below his means, avoiding lifestyle inflation, and saving a sizable portion of his income before indulging in any expenditure laid a sturdy foundation for his wealth accumulation. His success story underlines the reality that a dollar saved is indeed a dollar earned. Next, we're introduced to Maria, a woman of grit and tenacity who boldly navigated life's lesser-treaded paths. Maria was no ordinary woman. She embodied the spirit of striving to thrive rather than just survive. Her discerning eye for opportunities, her insatiable appetite for success, and her steadfast belief in her own abilities set her apart. Maria delved into the world of investment, a domain often thought of as complex and formidable, yet she saw it as a sphere teeming with potential. She decided to invest in assets that would yield passive income, implying that her resources would continue to generate wealth even in her absence. Maria's array of investments was quite diverse. She was wise not to centralize all her funds into a single venture, but instead spread her resources across multiple sectors. Her interests spanned real estate, stocks, and businesses, and she recognized the importance of cultivating a diverse portfolio and the possibilities it offered. Maria's love for the real estate market, despite its fluctuations and the potential for impressive returns, was notable. She bought properties, leased them, and enjoyed a significant income from her real estate investments. Maria also dabbled in the stock market, understanding its potential for growth and wealth augmentation. She invested in both established firms and startups, watching attentively as their value grew over time. Moreover, Maria took a keen interest in businesses. She was a staunch supporter of entrepreneurship and innovation, and became a silent partner in various small-scale ventures. Her investments in these enterprises not only ensured a consistent income, but also generated job opportunities for others. Maria's investment strategy was straightforward yet impactful. She diversified her portfolio, which included real estate, stocks, and businesses. By doing so, she ensured a consistent income flow. Real estate provided her with rental income and potential capital appreciation. Stocks, especially those of established companies, often delivered dividends, while startup stocks offered high growth potential. Her investments in businesses became a source of regular dividends and also gave her a foothold in various industries. This multi-pronged approach decreased her risk and increased her chances of continuous returns. Regardless of market fluctuations in one sector, her diverse portfolio ensured there was always another sector providing returns. Her journey epitomizes the mantra that through determination, knowledge, and the right mindset, one can indeed amass a substantial fortune. Lesson 5 is brought to us by Alex. Alex believed in continuous learning and self-improvement. He stayed informed about personal finance, investing, and entrepreneurship. He took courses, read books, and sought advice from experts to enhance his financial literacy. Our 6th lesson is from a group of friends. They surrounded themselves with like-minded individuals, joined networking groups, mastermind sessions, and mentorship programs. They learned from successful people and stayed motivated on their wealth-building journey. Our final lesson is from a daring entrepreneur named Sophia. Sophia was not afraid to take calculated risks. She evaluated potential opportunities and had the courage to take calculated risks that aligned with her financial goals. She was prepared for setbacks and learned from her mistakes to grow her wealth further. So there you have it, 7 essential lessons to help you achieve wealth on a budget. Define your financial goals, budget wisely, live below your means, invest in passive income, never stop learning, surround yourself with the right people, and take calculated risks. By following these lessons, you can secure a financially stable future for yourself and your loved ones. Thank you for listening, and remember to subscribe to our channel for more financial tips and advice.